Say near MPP 4 years is here no. It further shows how wicked they are. 8 years. Nipatitifie one more majuma. Immediately you lost the election. Also, we are recruiting 3,000 soldiers. 2,000.
Recruitment is even better. 2016 by this time, he was busily signing a Bauxite concession to his brother. Mama Akwaba, wafreme Ajua searching you. Mesrel, now subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell no so for more news. As one back and boy, Mr. I brought to be a unity when this party, the more friend Malik Basintali. Malik Basintali, one of Nkofuna no Muti, Eda ballot paper so, and last week Saturday, Yakoto Abano, Malik no come, yet to Abaman, when we His Excellency Malik. Ghana was in this, I would say, 2016. Offer. Owini Abano. Now, we are student politics. And now we JSS and now we SHS and now we university. Ghana first me this out simple question we. Almost say, who offer His Excellency the new president-elect John Dramani Mahama 2016 or no, and this is from no. At that time, you know. Now we SS and I know where we nothing now be enter offense into university and as a friend and now we enter into politics on person because in same year I can say insist so. And then I send a Malik I can Ghana for us to dear Gunusi. Malik is on tears say His Excellency Nanado Danko Kufuado Eko. Now what offered my for police for na soldier for Malik is on tears because Ghana na any dear. A moon resources Nisika women any dear, on any dear like our powers any dear on tears and another Afghana for. And Malik in this I say. Sika Ghana cry out there say in any at how. It is Obia School and another Afghan many Pakuno or Yotogoni. And I say Nipa no fee South Africa, I know for Nigeria, and Ghana phone at the end of the day another form. Huh? And Malik, Okasa, Okawasi, NPP are buying almost 3 years. His Excellency Nada Kakufado, you wicked, Obetina, you way in and went in here. For your information, get this clear. His Excellency Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo, Afa Banya Jumaya fo. Talk of nurses, teachers, armies, here for police. Why for just say why employ workers more than who uncle? Just cross check it. Now fact here and say what continue radio so I did. Obi se me kan just o me myself bepo. I don't think I had sir. Malik Ghana force me be say abra wo bra re 2016 this for mo ya mo report no. She said the NDC for so report Malik. Where were you? Now was secondary school and university and now when you almost bisa. Na teach you pa ne say. And now we bisa say 2016 no bra. O be fia bemu no. E na Bauxite and condemn and bra Ibrahim Mahama. Almost yemi say as we are aware. Ade betchin ebeka 3 days na we fi so kran we fi no office no. O sensan yin krata e de ne bra Ibrahim Mahama share so. And people for ban on betray him. Ghana force in business where were you? I didn't know how to answer. People be jina ne embra. Yeti ese Malik di tuja Ghana fu bin so amana reply.
Say near MPP 4 years is here no. It further shows how wicked they are. 8 years. Nipatitifie one more majuma. Immediately you lost the election. Also, we are recruiting 3,000 soldiers, 2,000 immigration men, 3,000. So why didn't you recruit them all this one? It further shows how wicked they are. Just more day. Because so Ankasa slots you ho. Nanka obeti me recruited uncle for ya. And then an hour train. Why? What were you waiting for? Tell me. If not because you are a wicked government. And then an hour train. Nipat if you money jumaye. Nurse 40 fee and post you mo. Teacher 40 fee and post you mo. Then just when you lose election, giddy, you recruiting for you found for juma. She say you employ 3,000 people. I just say with 3 more day. Abba MPP. You are a wicked government. So if you could recruit them, Minia, what were you waiting for? We are coming to create jobs. We are not saying don't recruit anybody. But the rush in which you are recruiting people now is suspicious. And my own say, I dream few mutrum. Because I got dream few mutrum, I can recruit you on
Way kwache Enoch and I say Recruitment is even better. 2016, by this time, he was busily signing a Bauxite concession to his brother Ibrahim Mahama. What is more wicked than this? Some of us don't have short memories. And I went so Musa and I also say 2016, this guy was not a politician and obisa or he don't know currents. If he knows what happened after Mr. Mahama lost the power, I believe they said Ghanaians youth need job. So they are coming to make sure they get jobs. President is making sure he's give them job. So Mr. Mahama can take it from there. As simple as that. Most of them have jobs. Nasanado cry for more. And month as it. Hey, Malik, we are telling you, say, this your crofo, I know how to talk, you know. And then just say, like, you have sense, so no, ubi only miyansani ubi autonomable. I analyze in Yama. Shall some brandy catch the most of my creative jobs are my youth, you know. So if another crowd was start here, what is your problem? Ubana will to us flu. Malik, you don't get sense past anyone in this country, no. As we all day in this country, you Malik, you don't have sense past us. Nti monto mombo na obo sami je mfi kwa wadwo sami wa melu disa sami je mfi sada na wadwo o prekuku ba hwia se wo kwa heva oh
awoni ma asem bi so ayesere nipa no bi so ye mi huyanka ye wo binim wo ha enei omanto aba I can tell you say ni mu onunu no no nyese bia aba na okoto na ebufuo wom na emom omansusu say defeat no ebeye so humiliating say it wants akwa to say me bo food here yes asem to kra na ento na emom sani asem no tu si fire na fe wa be mbobo
ayo bibi sa pa
e no na sisi e koso asante regional
o na nya yi kra ba bibi to na be hu say
be say MPP for mo asante no man to aba omo me sympathizers of MPP send resource no starting say abedu any parliament no kra no omo ra ho but akwa to say me huyanka that is the situation in most NPP base. They are not jubilating. Even I can tell you afafran talk for krano womo enjubilating afafran talk for because omo yo omo party na it is like party no call first time in parliament 96 they are two NPP no say I can tell you almost said that here parliament is because in any law a more do a party be best or pass no or here 2/3 majority NDC as I speak with you ekuta 188 call 189 2/3 majority 184 or 5 were now between their 10 PP and I know deputy secretary Bande also manya votes into omo dwene ho say omo ko parliament 5 na de chire no omo ka chom so omo ko join the MPP. This is the humiliating part of MPP as it stands now. Omo dam na donkom as a say omo betimi asore waka eno chebre ne be chire grab ya ne be chire mami ti onope
o man yakopo ensha o pa anope